Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and I hope you all are safe and may be excited for my class. So I am here to teach you SST Standard 2 Chapter 14, and the chapter name is Plants Around Us. So today we will see that different types of plants which is around us in this chapter. But before starting the chapter, I request all of you to please stay at home and enjoy your quality time with your family members. You can enjoy like playing the ludos, carom, video games. You can watch the television, news also. You can read your book also. In fact, you can complete your holiday homework and project work also, because this project work marks it will add in your term 1 exam. So it's better that you can complete it, and whenever the school will open, if I will ask the homework to you, holiday homework and project work, then you have to show me all the home project work, and please just stay at home, and whatever the holiday, in fact the online homework which I am giving in SST, in fact English as well as, so whatever the homework I am giving and I am uploading on the website of Watford International School, so you can go there and you can check your homework in PDF. And please just remember it that it should be in good handwriting, legible handwriting, and please use dark pencil. So once the school will open, because I have all the records, so I will ask the homework to you and you have to show me. So this is also chapter 14, and it's a short chapter. Maybe it will finish in this lecture only, but in second lecture I will give you the exercise, means 1, 2 exercise in your book. So do it in book. So please just keep your pencil in your hand, and those who don't have the book, then please purchase it as soon as possible. And please don't go outside, because it's a very serious disease virus, COVID-19 nowadays it's increasing. So because of this virus we can die also. So it's better that we can stay at home and we can enjoy the life with your family members. And if you have not completed the objective types, the question answer till chapter 13, and please complete it, because whenever the school will open, I will ask the all homework details with you. And because you have a lots of time, so please use the time, please don't waste the time. And yeah, only that much. And I hope that you guys had completed your healthy and delicious breakfast. So eat healthy and stay happy at home, and don't go outside. So let's start the chapter. Today we will start the chapter 14, that plants around us. So we will see the different types of plants are there around us, and it is very important. Plants is very important for us. So take out the page number 70. So I am reading, you also read with me. There are many plants and trees around us. When we will go outside and we will look around, then what we will find? We will find that many plants and trees is around us. We see plants and trees in the gardens, parks, along the sides of the roads. So these all the plants, trees, where we have seen these all things in the garden, in parks, and along the roadsides. Whenever we are going outside, then these all things, what it is always available in the garden, parks. In fact, some they have just planted in their house also, backside and in front also, so that it looks pretty. So do all plants look the same? Now picture is there in page number 70. There are 4 pictures are there: grass picture, then rose plant, here banyan tree, and the last one is money plant. So can you find that these all plants look same? Is yes or no? Because see, I think that it's no, because these all plants it's not look like a same. So next line is, absorb the pictures above carefully and answer the following. So we have to absorb the picture which is absorbed in the above picture. Just now I have said that first picture it describes the grass, second picture is the rose plant, third picture is like banyan trees, and the last one is fourth one, it's money plant. So these all are the 4 picture, and some questions are there in downside. According to this picture we have to answer the questions which is given in this page number. So just go through, we will do these all in book, no need to do in copy. So please take out your pencil, and I'm just going to read the whatever the answer is there. You can also think, and then I will say the answer. So are all plants the same? Now just look at the all plants. The grass plant, the rose plant, the banyan tree, in fact the money plant. So these all plants are the same. Yes or no? Only yes or no in these two you have to give the answer. So can you think that these all plants are same? Just think and imagine that it's all the plants are same or not. If yes, then write yes. If no, then write yes, no. So those who have written the yes answer, it's the wrong. And those who have written the no answer, it's correct, because these all plants, it's not look the same. So these all plants are not same. So please you can write down there no. N as a nose and O as an orange. So here N O no, because these all plants, it's not look the same. Now color in green the tall plant. Now you have to color these all four plants. I am explaining here and you just complete it in your home. But please don't use the sketch color, it will spoil your book. So it's better that you can sketch the crayons and pencil color. So you have to use the green color, yellow color. Yes, only these two you have to use the color. So color in green the tall plant. So the picture, these all four picture whose the plant is tall, that you have to use the color green. In that plants you have to use the color green. Color in yellow the small plants, and those the plants are small, you have to color the yellow plant. You have to color the yellow. So the green you have to do in tall plant, yellow you have to do in small plants. Next, color in brown that the plant that you can see climbing on something. So the color the plant which you can see that they are climbing, it means they just take a support and then they stand straight. So that plant you use the color brown. So here you have to use the three colors, the green, yellow and brown. So I have explained that green you have to use in tall plant. These all in four. Whose the plant is tall, you can see and you can absorb this picture. So those the picture is tall, you have to color it with green. And those the plant color is small plants, you have to use the color yellow. And the third is you have to use the brown color in the plant that you can see it's climbing on something. It's climbing on something, it means who's take any support like wall support and stick support and then they stand straight. So on that plant you have to use the brown color. So this is the homework, you have to complete it in your book, no need to complete it in your fair copy. And one more thing, that please use the crayons and this pencil color, don't use the sketch color, it will spoil your book. So it's better that you can use your pencil color and sketch color. Now did you know is there the banyan tree is the national tree of India. So the banyan tree is what? It is our national tree of India, like mango is national fruits, then animals is national tiger. So like that banyan tree is what? Banyan tree is our national tree. Just keep in your mind and it's important. Next some question is there, you have to find out the answer and you can write down here only, because blank is given, so you can do in book, no need to do in copy. So which of the four plants look the strongest to you? So in these four plants, which the plants looks the strongest, the strong to you? The grass plant, the rose plant, banyan tree and the money plant. Then the answer is what? It's banyan tree, the third one, because it looks the, which of the four plant looks the strongest to you? Then the answer is what? Banyan tree. Then write down the spelling: B as in bat, A as in apple, N as in nose, Y as in yellow, A as in apple and again N as nose. So your word comes like B-A-N-Y-A-N, banyan. Next, which of the four plants look the tallest? Means which one is the tallest plant it looks to you? then the answer is what? It's like answer is the tallest plant. I think it's not only, I think it's the banyan tree only, because it's tall also and it's strong also. So the second answer is also the same. Then you can write the banyan. Spelling again, I'm just telling you, banyan, banyan tree, 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 tree. So the next line that I will explain you in the next videos, so please kindly watch the next videos. Thank you and have a nice day.